It's taken a little extra navigation to get to one of the most popular Shell Beach spots to grab a quick bite to eat the last year or so, but that hasn't stopped regulars who know it's worth it.
Most of the customers are local. During the summertime, we have a lot of tourists in this area.
Emilio and Carla Belmonte, with some encouragement from their teenage daughter, had always been interested in opening a restaurant type of business.
We started creating the menu as a family with my older daughter.
The stuff are unique. We make 85% of our own sauce, spices, even the chipotle mayo.
They also make their own macaroni and potato salad and have a good selection of chips and brews on tap or in the bottle. A friend bakes all the breads fresh.
I usually just build my own turkey, bacon, keep it simple, Dutch crunch type of girl. So.
Ah, the Dutch crunch, a carb lover's true dream. There are small seating areas inside and out, but most regulars grab theirs to go.
It's a great place to just, when we're going to the beach, just grab a sandwich. It's delicious, it's consistent, it's good.
Oh, and they have breakfast sandwiches. Really, really good breakfast sandwiches. And everything they serve up comes in healthy portions.
When you live here, you will be very satisfied.
Confirmed by the plethora of social media reviews and postings where their Sando's sandwiches take center stage. Open 9:30 to 5, it's a hot spot for the hungry, and it's right in the neighborhood. See you there.